So let's say you are getting ready and you are about to go to office. So you sit in your car and prepare to ride to the office while listening to your favorite song in the car. But then you realize that Android Auto in your car isn't working properly and there can be various issues for that. So today in this video, we are gonna be fixing those issues so that your Android Auto works well with your car. So without wasting any time, first let's hit the intro. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to make sure that your phones, car and your apps are compatible or not. For that, you can visit the official Android Auto website to check the list of supported vehicles and devices. And if by any chance your car or phone isn't on the list, then you won't be able to use the Android Auto app. You can also check out the specific types of apps that work with Android Auto. And the link of that list will again be in the description. So after that's done, the second thing you can do is to restart your Android phone. Because sometimes even a basic thing like a simple restart can solve many of your problems. And that can also get your Android Auto working properly. And it's generally a safe habit to periodically restart your phone so that you can avoid potential glitches in the future. So the next method is to check your connections. And for that, first you have to see that how do you connect your Android Auto with your car. So if you're using Android Auto with a wired connection, then the problem could be a loose USB cable or a faulty USB port. So you can try out a different cable or port to see if that resolves the issue or not. Now coming to the wireless connections, first you have to make sure that your phone's Bluetooth is on and it's connected to the car's pairing system. And if your Bluetooth is accidentally paired with another car, then it won't connect to your existing car. So to check whether Bluetooth is on or off, just go to the notification panel on your Android device. Now if these methods are still not helping you, then you can try out updating the apps. Because keeping your phones and apps up to date is key, especially if you want Android Auto to work the way it's supposed to. So to update the Android Auto app, first go to the Play Store, then here search Android Auto. Then tap on Android Auto and you'll see this update option. Just tap on it and your Android Auto will get updated. So while the Android Auto app is getting updated, a like or sub to the channel will automatically improve your driving experience. Alright, the next step that comes is to check the Android Auto app setting. Because sometimes the issue that you're facing could be related to Android Auto app settings. So follow these steps to make sure that app settings are set up properly. So to do that, first of all go to settings, then go to connected devices. Then tap on connection preferences, then here tap on Android Auto. Scroll down and here you will see Start Android Auto automatically. So make sure that it is set to always. Tap on it and select always. Now just below that you will see this option Start Android Auto while logged. Also make sure that this is toggled on. Now scroll up and here you'll see this option Previously Connected Cars. Tap on it and also make sure that your vehicle is not registered on the rejected cars list, because if that is done, then you won't be able to use Android Auto with your car. Alright, even after all of these methods you're still facing issues, then it could be a sign that the problem is not with your phone's Android Auto app settings, but instead it could be a problem of your car's Android Auto settings, as each car has its own Android Auto settings. You first have to check your vehicle's user manual for specific instructions. Alright, one more step that you can try out is to clear your phone's cache. So to clear your Android phone's cache, just follow these steps. First, go to settings, tap on apps and here tap on see all 115 apps and here you have to select Android Auto. Then here tap on storage and cache and just tap on clear cache and your cache data will be cleared. So after you have changed all of the Android Auto app settings, make sure that you restart your phone for it to work effectively. So after all of these steps, you are still facing the issue, then the last resort for you is to uninstall and reinstall the Android Auto app, because doing so can sometimes resolve any remaining glitches. And after uninstalling the app, make sure you restart your device before reinstalling the Android Auto app. So these were some of the ways by which you can fix Android Auto issues when it's not working. And I really hope that after watching this video, your issues are resolved. And if by any chance your issues are still not resolved, then definitely let us know in the comment section. We'll surely help you out in that. And if you've reached to the end of this video, definitely subscribe to Geekified, as we bring amazing tech content every week. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, keep enjoying your life and let me also enjoy my life.